Well, Pacific Security Alarm has been awarded the contract to completely replace the fire alarm system at GMH. The contract was awarded about 3 months ago, and hospital officials say it'll be approximately 3.5 more months before the fire alarm system is installed and operational. It was back in April when PNC News reported the faulty fire alarm system at GMH. The hospital fell under scrutiny for putting the lives of patients and staff in jeopardy. It's a contract worth more than $900,000. In the meantime, a fire watch system has been in place and will remain until the new system is up and running.